2020 from Lucena Cluster Vico. My title is Conflict and Resolution in Adolescent Fiction. Adolescent fiction focuses on teenage experiences and development. Common themes include identity, relationship, and personal struggles. Conflict is essential in shaping the story and character growth. Types of conflict. Internal conflict. Character versus self. Identity, crisis, fear, emotional struggle. External conflict. Character versus family. Character versus society, and character versus fears. Common conflicts in adolescent fiction: peer pressure, bullying, family issues, identity struggles, social acceptance, and academic pressure. So, resolution, personal growth, acceptance, reconciliation, overcoming challenges, and learning important life lessons. Importance of conflict and resolution. First, reflect real adolescence experiences. Second is build empathy. And third is encourages resilience. And fourth is teaches problem solving. And fifth is promotes emotional maturity. So, my conclusion is conflict and resolution in adolescence fiction help young readers understand real-life struggles, personal growth, and important life lessons. These stories guide adolescents in facing challenges and developing resilience. Thank you.